All right, we're recording. Hello, everyone. Welcome. It's a Wednesday again, Wellness Wednesday, and Chris and I are going to talk to you about cardamom and turmeric. And we're going to wing this one. Usually we kind of do a dry run and kind of get the kinks out, but we decided, screw it. We're just going to go in head first. All right, so first one we're going to talk about is turmeric. Lovely turmeric. So I'm going to read from my notes so I can stay compliant and get all the right information to you. When taken internally, it promotes a positive immune function and response. So this is the perfect time with everything that's going on to help boost our immune system. It helps support healthy glucose and lipid metabolism. It may enhance cellular antioxidant enzymes. It helps support healthy nervous and cellular function. You could diffuse it to lift your mood, which honestly I have not tried yet because I think of it as the spice, you know, and I don't know, spices to me and diffusing it's off-putting, but I'll try it one day. It supports healthy looking skin while reducing blemishes. That I forgot that it does that. I'll have to try that one next time. So if you like to work out, you can apply some, inhale it, apply some wherever you worked out, whether that was legs, arms, or whatever it is you were working out, for a nice little massage. I've been taking it internally almost every day, if I remember, and I forgot why. I heard or read somewhere a long time ago that turmeric helps reduce cholesterol. So I have a family history of high cholesterol, and for a couple of years, I was pretty on schedule to take, do physical blood work and all that. And my cholesterol numbers were always high. However, my good cholesterol was where it needed to be, and my bad cholesterol is where it needed to be. So those numbers were fine, but for whatever reason, they like to combine them, would always cause a red flag. So I did make an appointment with my doctor, and we sat down, and she told me, I don't know why they do that, but it doesn't mean anything. As long as the good cholesterol is good as far as numbers, and the bad is good, then you have nothing to worry about. So I've kind of forgotten about it since then, but I do take my turmeric internally just to be on the safe side. So Chris, tell us a little bit about cardamom.
Cardamom. Little bottles of cardamom. They're awesome.
Yes.
Cardamom is a close relative of ginger, so it's really good for the digestive system. It's good in cooking. It has a very distinct scent, promotes a positive mood. It's a native to Southeast Asia. It also helps with the respiratory system, which I didn't know about that, so I'm going to have to pay attention to that a little bit more. Evidently, the cardamom that doTERRA uses comes from Guatemala. And let's see here, you can use it internally, just as part of your gastrointestinal health. And it's great in breads and smoothies and meats and salads. I've also heard in cookies. So I was going to look for a cookie recipe and stuff, and somebody was saying it was like snickerdoodle type cookies, and others were saying it was chocolate chips. So I've got to look at that a little bit further. So it's always fun to add that just a little different zip to your own recipe. Let's see. Also, you can diffuse it for openness and mental clarity. Now, I have to tell you, I did that. I think I took this before the genome DNA thing that we got in convention. And cardamom is one of the things that my DNA shows I can use to focus and mental clarity, which is what I said. And I'll diffuse it. And one of the other things was black pepper. So I never thought of diffusing black pepper, but those two together are really make you very alert and really defocus. So it was kind of an interesting thing. It takes 0.3 pounds of cardamom seeds to make a 5 ml bottle. So I thought that was kind of a cool piece of information. You can use it aromatically, topically, internally, and neat. So, and it's one of those that they do the steam distillation on. It's got that spicy, fruity, warm scent. So kind of a really cool oil that I will be doing more cooking with.
Yeah, I had no idea about the cookies. Now it got me curious. I'm going to have to make some cookies and try that out.
Yes.
All right, cool. All right, well, that's it, everyone. That is our wellness tips for you for this Wednesday. Tune in next week, and we're going to share some more yummy oils with you. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.